Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about China importation business. And in today's video, I will show you on how to sign in into your 1688 app accounts using your Alipay right here. Let me show you how. But before we dive into tutorial, as you know, my name is Rafi Yaku. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want to procure link on 1688, Taoba or Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to be your Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you open up your 1688 Chinese shopping app. Have you opened up your 1688 shopping app? Go ahead and click on me, and you'll be taken right here. Next thing you need to do is to go ahead and click on Alipay right here. Service agreement and privacy protection. Go ahead and click on agree. Then allow the Alipay to load. Next thing you want to do is to click on confirm and log in. Next thing you need to do is to click on get code right here. Now the code is arrived 860264. 86 86 0264. Hit on next. And you will successfully log in back into your 1688 account, just like what you see right here. I have successfully logged in back to this account with my Alipay. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how to ship and import products from China using 1688 Chinese shopping app, consider to subscribe. And lastly but not the least, if you want to procure link on 1688, Taoba, Pinduoduo, or Idlefish, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.